Shisngi shwa ba unshong thaj no kumu chief secretary Khubor uba DP walang ulapan pau ba ula sngohun kaman siem ba ula yo ban shakri ya Khubor hakini ki lai Snem tam namar udon ni ka Kynhun ka ba Kynsai tam jongki officer habakran berkilar pathai Khubor menta ka arpo khandai tarik nailur uba DP walang ulapan pau ru ya ka jing sngohmen ba kumu chief secretary ula yo ru bandon ka benta ka ba krau na ka suk ka sain bat ka miat jong Khubor Wat laki dan katu kani kijingjia kiba uya tengku haki Snem kumu chief secretary. Henry ulapan pau pan ba kiba buon hi kiba usngohun ban kan mau shwa buon shong thaj no nakakam. Uba DP walang ula airu kajing kitbok yau chief secretary bathamai ba unla ban ai kajing syakri ka bapaka bat kaban penmento ya kinong shong shnong bat kajelahi baro kawe.
I've completed about 3 years and 2 months as the chief secretary of the state. And as I look back today, I feel that there is a deep sense of satisfaction over the last 3 years, and whatever goals and objectives that I had right at the beginning of my tenure, I've been able to fulfill most of them with complete satisfaction. And first and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for giving me good health so that I can perform my duty as it is required. I would like to thank my family, and I would like to thank the team here in the Secretariat as well as right up to the districts in the last mile. We all work very cohesively and as a team, and the support that I got from the team has been tremendous. I never had any issues, I never had any problems over the last 3 years. From the political side also, I've got a lot of support. I've never had any problems over the last 3 years, so I'm exiting with a lot of satisfaction. In fact, I did a little bit of assessment on that because somebody is saying that you must have gone through a very difficult phase during your tenure. No, not really. In fact, I've been more than lucky in the sense that from the law and order point of view, also it's been more or less stable. The 2-3 hiccups were there. The first one was the firing in the border areas with Assam. That was the first one in which we had to cancel the Cherry Blossom Festival, and then the skirmishes that happens once in a while across the border with Assam. Then the Bangladesh issue was one in which we had to take some very quick steps. But apart from that, when it comes to the insurgency, it comes to militancy, I think so it's been more or less very peaceful. And even in Shillong town and Jowai Tura also, the situation has been more or less very stable. So I had, I think so, relatively comfortable time. My colleague is that you just have to put in more effort and not with your head only, but with your heart. It is important that you work not only with whatever intellectual capacity you have, but also with compassion. Because whatever decisions we take as government servants, as public servants, it touches the life of the poorest of the poor and the people who live at the last mile, who many of us don't even interact, many of us don't meet, but decisions that we take on the file impacts their lives on a daily basis.